Hello, welcome to today's class. And this is Ogbeni Ade teaching you Ede Yoruba 2. Today we are going to be looking about a Yoruba topic that is called Iṣẹ́ Ilé. Ohun tó dára ni fún ọmọdé láti máa ṣiṣẹ́ ilé. Examples of house chores: àpẹẹrẹ iṣẹ́ ilé, abọ́ fífọ̀, washing plate, ilẹ̀ gbígbá, sweeping, aṣọ fífọ̀, washing clothes, oko ríro, clearing the bushes in our surrounding. Now let's talk about some needed items. Ohun èlò: ọṣẹ, soap, àdá, cutlass, rake, ìgbálẹ̀, broom, omi, water. Now let's move down to simple class work. Iṣẹ́ ṣíṣe: soap, water, ìgbálẹ̀. Let's do the cross match to omi, broom, ọṣẹ. Ẹ ṣeun. Thank you. Ó dàbọ̀. Bye bye.